What's up, everybody? So right now I am at the Hive Auto Garage here in San Diego. New shop opening up. Pretty cool place. There's a lot of amazing cars here. Actually, my car's in there too right now, the 32 GTR. But I'm here with Diego. I call him Dago, but Diego. We're gonna take you on a tour of the shop so you can see some of the vehicles in here. And the crazy thing is, this isn't even everything. This is just some of the vehicles. We got JDM cars. We have some crazy Baja truck with a V10 built Ram, like nuts, like a lot of craziness going on in here. But I want to share all these cars with y'all so y'all can check them out, see all the cool builds here, see what they got going on. And they're actually going to be doing their grand opening pretty soon, so it'll be pretty cool to kind of have this place here with basically just cool car guys with cool cars, and more cars to come definitely here. But let me turn it over to Diego so he can take us through the shop. All right, so yeah, what do you got in here?
Sweet, so we'll start off with our trophy truck right here. We have, started off as an older, late 90s Ram pickup truck, but it obviously went through a few different modes. This is a 5-time Baja 1000 trophy truck winner, San Felipe 250. This thing has been 12 years of straight building up and down to perfect what it is now. Now we have a Borg 9-liter V10 under the hood with 1,000 horsepower, 1,000 foot-pounds of torque. 26 inches of travel in the front, 38 in the back, with the resume of wins to follow what's built on the truck itself. So this thing is truly a work of art.
I see all the suspension you got. I mean, this thing is absolutely bonkers. I mean, this thing, it really is ready to race. It's not just some little truck with, you know, a cage and a little bit of suspension upgrade. This thing is built to the max. Holy crap. When are you going to race it?
Soon. Yeah. Trying to jump this thing soon, see how it lands.
The Minotaur, oh my god, this thing is absolutely amazing. All right, so that's the American. Now we go over to the non-American cars.
So we start with our first JDM car, but it kind of messed up the lineup here. This is a little strong to start off, but we have our 2012 Lexus LFA with 6,400 miles on it. This is done with a satin metallic, or not a satin, but a metallic black flake paint color with a nice tan interior. So for us, I believe this is the perfect spec. Other people believe red is the perfect spec, but this thing is a 4.8 naturally aspirated V10 that has the sound of the gods. This thing is, once opened up, is absolutely just mind-blowing. But right next to that, we have our 2012 Benz Supra R35 GTR. This is under the hood. If you take away the entire body kit, it is a 2012 with 5,000 miles on it.
Wow.
So that alone is awesome. But this is a one-of-two kit built by Benz Supra. This was Greddy's SEMA car for a few years. Towed it around everywhere. This is genuinely an amazing car to drive. But the coolest part about that, everything on this is California legal.
Wow.
Everything.
That's pretty hard to do here in California too.
Oh, yeah. Right next to that, we have our 1993 TRD Toyota Supra. This thing came from the factory wide body kit, nose to tail. Everything from the strut brace, the front bumper, splitter, wing, everything. So this is one of 35 that was originally released, and maybe from what I have read and seen, this is one of 6 that survived the times with the kit nose to tail. Next to that, not so JDM, but a little bit more German. We have
just a little bit.
2016 Porsche GT3 RS. This one just came in, putting it for sale, but this thing is truly a track monster. Not even just that, you can get your groceries with it, comfortable car, take it on a date, but the moment you want to run it through a track, this thing is ready for it.
I've been in one of these things and they absolutely rip. These things are so smooth, handle really well. It sound good, they're amazing, they're comfortable. I mean, it's a perfect car, especially for track, for street purposes, all that.
Hard to beat a 9,000 RPM Radium Boxster 6. Right next to that, this one is actually the car that started it all. This is a 1996 R33 GTR with 5,000 US miles.
5,000, oh my goodness.
So if you take away that aspect of being incredible enough, this is actually hand built and owned by the man Smokey Nagata himself.
Smokey.
All the records that go with it from Top Secret. And not even just that, this is the prototype body kit from the 90s that built the kits for the rest of the 33s you see out with the Top Secret one. So this one right here, on top of the historical value, holds a lot of sentimental value to us. And I mean, it's just a beautiful car to look at.
Wow.
But this one I'm in love with this one. For me, this holds my sentimental value a little bit more than all the rest of them. This is one of our R32s. I say one more because Jesse knows a little secret that's coming in, but this one is a full Nismo R32. Everything from the S1 motor, I'll pop that open for you guys to check on out.
Yeah.
Down to the lug nuts. This car is truly prime Nismo Nissan from the 90s. So this one has a little bit more miles. It's a 93 with about 50,000 US miles on a completely mint RB26 S1 motor. This car, I mean, it's the car that got me into loving cars, but not even just that. Top ring pulled through, got the interior redone, headliner, everything. So this car is absolutely as mint as it gets for the 90s JDMs. And then next to that, you have what?
My R32 GTR.
Race car.
Single turbo, built RB26. The viewers have seen this one plenty of times, and we'll see way more on the page. But man, there's some amazing cars here. I mean, you got GTRs, you got Porsches, Supras, more GTRs, LFA, Lexus LFA, absolutely amazing. Just a monster truck over there. Clean shop. I mean, this place is pretty epic. Can't wait to see all the other cool stuff that you got coming here. But man, this is awesome. So make sure y'all follow them on Instagram. What's the Instagram? It's Hive
Auto Garage.
Hive Auto Garage. You can see it on the shirt right there. Boom.
TikTok and Instagram.
Yeah, look them up on Instagram, TikTok, all that fun stuff. A lot of cool stuff coming here. Obviously, it's still in the making of the shop, but it'll be all ready to go here pretty soon. And yeah, thank you all for tuning in.